let's talk development football where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. Mina ke mapholo bawufuze full mashiya mathe atoshimayela iqadi unyuswa. Namhlanje ke babukeli bethu silana eNike Center ePimville, Walter Sisulu Clinics ebizwa ngokuthi Discovery, eyaziwa kanjalo ukuthi Discovery, one of the big tournaments eGauteng yonke. Not a Soweto kuphela. Babukeli bethu ke namhlanje I'm joined by one of the best and one of the biggest coaches who has produced so many players Soweto and Gauteng. Coach Paradise. Coach Paradise, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Sanibonani emakhaya, mina ngigama Coach Paradise Mwekesi. I'm a development coach. As everybody knows that very well, I've been developing football for the past 3 centuries, you know? Yeah.
Babukeli bethu, Coach Paradise has been developing players for the past 3 centuries. Jobesa Ishilo. Coach Paradise ukhona egemini, he has been there, he has produced so many players. Coach Paradise, awusitshele kancane, ijeni yakho wena as a coach iqala kuphi?
Ijeni yami iqala from mina ngiqale from Rockville Young Fighters in Soweto. And then we moved kwaba umuntu oscouta uClarks Murray, was scouta sa Chiefs, Chiefs under 12s. From lapho is where I started as a coach to become a player and a coach.
Okay.
And because ubaba Keza Mtawu makabuya oversee wathi ufuna ukwenza development, wafika wasithola sidlala wathi no bafana bami sesidlala ngama under, sadlale ngama abu CD kanjalo, washo format. And then from there we started now playing now. And then we didn't have a coach by then. And he appointed me to become a player coach. Coach.
Okay. But the great Keza Mtawu.
The great Keza Mtawu chinja kuluba abuya eAmerica. That's great. You start now, become a player, you are coach out in Ghana. It's where my journey started to become a coach. But before that, mina from Kudala nasekhaya, masakhula nje esikolweni ema-challenge, I was always becoming upraiser, ngiyi-coach, ngiyonke lento leyo. So into nje ngathi isiphiwo ngaba naso ngisasemncane kakhulu. It is just a calling ngayithola nami ngisasemncane kakhulu.
Babukeli bethu seshilo uCoach Paradise ukuthi it's just a calling. Mina ke njengomuntu olandela ibhola development football ngimbonile ukuthi akacoach ngoba ebona abanye becoacha une calling yalento uyayazi lento ayenzayo. Coach Paradise sisalapho nje silana ku Walter Sisulu Clinics bewune team yezintwana ezincane kakhulu iCosta Africa engaqualifyanga ukuya kuma knockout stages nge-goal difference. Benina 10 point nonke, New Hope Westbury bese kuba wena na 10 points nonke. Kuwena kufile kanjani nje kuwena njengocoach osomdala ke kodwa egemini nabadlali bakho kufile kanjani lokho?
No, as everybody knows, now we've got a new thing that you are doing. We call it Costa Africa. It's a new academy that comes from America. Now it says like Africa manje. So it was the first time we gathered kids together and tried to play. But our objectives, definitely enjoy it and bazakale. We came here to come in to be known or to sell our brand. That was it. But our boys, they were under 21s. We did this never fun under 21s, 19, 17, but they did very well. So far, that was our objective, but they got and enjoyed themselves and represent us very well. So far, I know Spasevin.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke babukeli bethu njengoba seshilo uCoach Paradise i-Development Academy suka le America ezovusa ibhola lase South Africa ilidwa uyena ke uCoach Paradise kade bejoinile la kuma Walter Sisulu Clinics obizwa ngokuthi Discovery baphuma nje ngo10 points bano 10 points egroupini bane New Hope bane Westbury bese kuba iKosa. Coach Paradise masibuka i-development yase South Africa as a whole, do you think I will do justice? I know ama positives maningi kunabore lemfukeng kunabombokazi kunabonkotha, I can name them. Mawucabanga nje South Africa, are we doing justice to development football in South Africa?
I think if we come on that point, I think we are doing a very, very, very big mistake in South Africa and fooling the country and fooling the nations what we are developing. Some of the people are taking football serious and having development. They are investing money in development. But in South Africa, that's the only country that we can always fool. There's no development that has been done. It was done by other people. Because now what I can say to people, is development in even if you go to sponsors and try to get some help to develop abantwana, you struggle because abantu ababoni development into ebaluleke kakhulu.
Yeah.
So kwamanje mina ngasho ukuthi South Africa as a whole, even SAFA themselves, they fail to develop us bathathe development serious. I mean, mawubheka kwalena banyana, we've got a professional setup, but you don't have a development setup. Where can you see that in the whole world? Therefore, unesihlahla singana
So
that's how we say to ourselves ukuthi they are taking things for granted. Sanenhlanhla uNkulunkulu usasithanda, talent
Yeah.
but the development person can tell you, I came from America, I went to Germany, I went to other European countries. They put so much money there and they put so much effort there. That's why Baba talk they are 10 years ahead of us because of that. But I did football serious and but I did development serious.
Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli bethu njengale talk development football. Hlale ngimtshela ukuthi bonke abantu esibaletha la inhloso yethu ukuthi sifunde. Nami ngifunde okukhulu namhlanje. Coach Paradise ushilo South Africa sithatha kancane kakhulu development yethu. Sinenhlanhla ukuthi sinabantwana abanetalent abaliphiwe uNkulunkulu kodwa ngoko development kuningi kusamele sikwenze njengezwe. Coach Paradise nakho ke engizokubuza kona nje sengizohamba iWalter Sisulu Clinics ibalekele kanjani abantwana ku development yebhola nje as a whole.
No, you know, like development to enjoy to tabanama chance amaningi, but this is the stage where you find ukuthi iWalter Sisulu ebanikeza istage platform ukuthi bazibonise, you understand?
Yeah,
Ngoba most of my players wethu mangakhulula kanje besinabo Godfrey Mulolo, all the best players were scouted from there. So most of the players now ngoba akunama setup conducive or alright kuma development scouting programs amathapha amakhulu, you understand?
Yeah.
So niyo ama platform esinawo manje. Though we sometimes say we want to get these boys badlala kuma structured football, but there are too many and you know like fana abantu bamateksi ukuthi amateksi mancane mangathatha umuntu omukuse edrobheni nakulindo iQB and abantu baqoshwe imisebenzi bayima interview. Same thing with our football. Same thing with our development. But so far so good. Singathi siyabonga whoever clinics usabonga abaqhasele the program lena and other ones abenza kanjalo siyabonga, but I think the whole aim is to see a platform for abantwana iaveng. Yes, that's it.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke babukeli bethu sina uyayile stock development football silana ukuzofundisa abantu abazali emakhaya abantwana basafuna ukuthi bafike kuleli zinga abanye abantwana bafike kulona ukuthi bafunde kulelo hlelo lethu bafunda abazali kulolu hlelo lethu ukubaleka kwe development football coach abasakhula nabo bafunde ko coach abayingcwele sinabo lana siyabonga kakhulu Coach Paradise cela nje amazwi akho okugcina kubabukeli bethu emakhaya.
Amagama ami ogcina emabukeli nje emakhaya konke siyacela ukuthi ni-invest isikhathi senu kubantwana badevelop. I-problem ukuthi thina singabazali bethu eSouth Africa sifuna ama-miracle. Umntwana wakho makadlala ku-Praise manje awumsupport. Mangingabuza manje umntwana wakho udlala yiphi club awazi. But the day bathi i-Chiefs ifuna clearance ku-Coach Paradise uyafika lana ungikhulumisa kabi uyangithuka ukuthi umntwana wami ngimzele. But abelungu they are doing very well because
from under 9
under 6 they develop and support abantwana babo. So our parents they invest isikhathi esiningi. So I'm just trying to say today ukuthi masifuna ukubona manje country yaphambili abosapha baba force ukuthi they must consider football serious or development football serious.
Nathi bazali.
And then abazali. Ngamanje ungathi kubo funeka ama5 rand sidlala kwenye indawo funeka most of transport funeka nje ukuthi kubhadalwa ko referee. Abazali bangeke baqhase but kulama kwi-tofel zabo kulama society abahambayo bakhokha imali ezibovu awuba wakhona bashaya amabhodlela athusa. But siyacela nje ukuthi bazali bonke sine problem yokuthi abantwana bethu bayindalja abantu ezingekho right ama-drugs ini utshwala basasebancane because of what bayeka ibhola basasebancane. So
lack of support
into esishoda ngayo kakhulu. Siyacela kakhulu ukuthi nakhona into yokugcina nje bafundiseni abantwana bethu bathandaze bakhonze uNkulunkulu and babe nethemba ukuthi one day kuzolo bangajahisi. They must wait for the process kaNkulunkulu ihamba ngendlela uNkulunkulu ayebengakho. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli bethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu isizulu sithona endlebe uzwile. Ningakhohlwa babukeli bethu ukusilandela ku-TikTok ne-subscribe ku-YouTube. We are Let's Talk Development Football. Thank you.